Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will be diving into the cozy vibes of Beetles' Cozy Campfire Gel Polish Collection. Do you want to see some warm, earthy tones and some stunning shimmers to take you into this fall season with style? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're a fan of reds, rich browns, or sparkling jewel tones, this collection has something for everyone. Be sure to stay till the end of this video because I will be comparing this collection with another Beetles fall collection called Fall Harvest. They are both fall palettes, but they have several differences which you may want to see, so stay till the end. Just a couple of things before we dive into this collection. It comes with 20 different colors, a base coat, a glossy top coat, and a matte top coat. That makes it convenient if you're just starting out. This collection has everything you need except for a gel light. I will link one of those in my description. Beetles polishes are 9 free, which means that they are free from 9 of the potentially harmful chemicals that are commonly found in gel polish. This is actually pretty good for a gel. Those chemicals are formaldehyde, dibutyl phthalate, toluene, formaldehyde resin, lead, xylene, ethyl toluene, paraben, and camphor. I also like that these polishes are low odor, which really kind of helps both of us out in the salon, my client and myself. Most people don't want to sit through a manicure that has some strong odor, so I do appreciate that Beetles tries to steer clear of that. Let's dive into this beautiful cozy collection. The first color in this collection is a beautiful taupey gray color. Like taupe means that it's not like a purple gray or a cool gray, it's more of a warm gray, and it's got brown undertones. This is my go-to color for gray or taupey gray in the fall. Everyone loves this color. This is one of my favorite colors. Is it one of my favorites in the palette in this collection? Maybe. I'm curing every coat for 60 seconds in my LED light. If you have a UV light, you'll need to do 2 minutes. This one is a light tan, fleshy color. It's great for going underneath nail art. It's not too dark. It doesn't, take up, a lot of attention if you're trying to do something over the top of it. It's a great base color. Now we're moving into more of a rich brown, kind of a crelly formula. It's kind of hard to get these even, so just kind of take your time. And it doesn't have to be perfect on the first coat because the second coat really does fill in those patchy spots. But this is a nice, really pretty warm brown color. Most of my clients go for a little bit darker brown, maybe like this color here. It's a little bit deeper, a little bit more like a chocolate brown. All of these colors are so popular for fall. 2 coats for Beetles is always, full coverage unless it's like a sheer polish. I am really pleased with their formulas. Very user-friendly, great for beginners. This color is a deeper, darker brown, and as you can see on the first coat, it's pretty full coverage. And I would just always do 2 coats pretty much unless you're doing it under nail art, but this one darkens up quite a bit on the second coat. Nice dark brown. This color here has some glitter. Everyone loves this color in the salon. This is one of my more popular colors. Glitter always sells really well for polishes. I do really like this one actually, and my clients do too. The next color here is quite sheer, and I always have to tell people this one when they get it done in the salon. You can do it on its own with 2 coats, but it's still actually quite sheer even with that. This is the only one in the collection that's like this. All of the rest are pretty much, most of the colors in this collection are creme. and full coverage. But anyway, it's pretty. That one's a great one, but it's a little sheer even with 2 coats. You could always do 3 if you wanted. This color here is a beautiful kind of a greeny blue, more blue than green, and it is definitely more full coverage. You could actually get away with 1 coat probably on this one. Here is a beautiful like emerald green. It's got a slight blue tint to it. This is gorgeous, and this one gets asked for a lot actually, and it's kind of a crelly formula, cross between a jelly and a creme. Just work with it a little bit, try to get an even coat. It's a little bit harder too with the jelly or crelly. This is an olive green color. It's not super popular in the salon, but do I have any olive green lovers in the house? My mom, if she came in for a manicure, she would get this color probably. My mom just loves olive green. Here we have a really bright gold glitter, micro glitter. It's not chunky at all. It's very easy to put on. It's a little bright for my taste, but I do use it sometimes, for like nail art or dressing up an accent nail. Here is a really pretty yellow color. It's a creme, it's full coverage, very easy to put on. And I don't use yellow a lot, but it's nice to have a yellow in a collection. You could always mix it with other colors to blend your own for nail art. And here is another one of my favorites. I really like mustard yellow nails for some reason. I don't know why. I guess it's hard to find a good mustard yellow. And so when I find one, I just love it. I wish I could wear gel. I would be wearing this all the time in the fall. Beautiful color for nail art. This color is a little bit more deeper of a burnt umber, kind of leaning towards an orange. Not quite orange though, still kind of I don't know. It's hard to describe some of these colors. It's more of a burnt umber, I guess. And the second coat adds a little bit more depth. Now we're moving on to a orange micro glitter color. This one's beautiful. This collection comes with a red, orange, and yellow glitter set that's they all match, so you can use them with nail art, and you can use them on your manicures to kind of all go together conceptually, and they match with the glitters, so that's kind of nice. This one is a beautiful orange, like a reddish orange color. It definitely has some red undertones. People aren't really sure what to do with this color because it's not orange and it's not red. I really like it, but I guess to each their own. This next color is definitely more on the red spectrum. This one's maybe a little bit more popular than the last one because it is a little bit more red. It's kind of hard to see on camera here, but it is different for sure than the last one. And then the second coat, makes it definitely look a little bit more red. The next color here is the other micro glitter, the red micro glitter that goes with the orange and the yellow. I should have done them together on the palette. I don't know why I didn't. So anyway, but they all match with the consistency and the formula. This is a really pretty color. It's definitely red. Not a pinky red like some of them. This one's definitely red. This color here is more of a brick red, kind of similar to one that I did in my fall harvest review. And it's a really popular color too, this one. Definitely not red, it's more brick red. So it's, I don't know, I guess people use it sometimes, but it's not as popular as just a red. And here is the final color of the collection. I somehow skipped over it when I was doing my oranges. I actually was going to film this whole video over again because I did that, but my friend Kara, hey Kara, she encouraged me to just go with this video as I filmed it originally. So as you can see, the orange is out of place there. Oh well, mini blooper. I don't know. I'm not perfect, I guess. I miss things sometimes. I really, it takes everything in me not to film this over again. But anyway, there you go. Beautiful collection. It's really similar to the other fall color collection here. And there's again the orange. They're almost, I mean, they're so similar, it's hard to tell them apart. So I guess you'll get your mileage there on the oranges in this collection and the reds. Did you enjoy these colors? I think they are beautiful. I love all of the vibrant shades and shimmers. This is definitely a popular kit in the fall season. Did you have a favorite? As always, I have more than one. Since you stuck around till the end, I want to show you what these two polish collections look like side by side, the Cozy Campfire and the Fall Harvest collection. Cozy Campfire has more jewel tones and full spectrum colors of the rainbow. It also has more cremes and micro glitters. The Fall Harvest collection has several jelly formulas, which are fun, or crellies, which is part jelly and part creme. It also has chunky glitters and is primarily reds, browns, and burgundies. If you'd like to see the Beetles Fall Harvest collection, click on this video here. Thank you and God bless. All right, here's the end. How did I get through that? Ooh.